What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve radical equations. If you followed the previous examples we had, previous videos, we were doing some radical equations. Now in this one we need to solve this equation, which is square root of y minus 3 plus 2 equals to square root of 4y plus 2. Answer is, in order to answer that or find the solution, it means that we need to find out the value of y. I need to get rid of this square root. If you want to get rid of the square roots, we need to square the expressions. So I square the right hand side and left hand side. So it's going to be y minus 3 plus 2. And here I have square root of 4y plus 2. Then it will be square root of y minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 squared plus 2 times 2 times square root here. It's going to be 4 square root of y minus 3 equals to the 2 and square root cancel out. This will be 4y plus 2. Then it will change to the 2 and square root cancel out. It will be y minus 3 plus 2 squared is 4 plus 4 root y minus 3, and here you have 4y plus 2. I keep this expression here and move everything else to the right hand side. So I have 4 square root of y minus 3. This side we have 4y plus 2. Y I move it this side, it will be negative. 4 minus 3 is plus 1, so we move it here, it's going to be minus 1. And then we have 4 square root of y minus 3 equals to 3y plus 1. Then I need to square both sides. We have 4 square root of y minus 3 to the power of 2, 3y plus 1 to the power of 2. Then it changes to 4 squared, which is 16, times y minus 3. And here I have 3y to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 1 times 3y, so 6y. So we have 16y minus 48 equals to 9y squared plus 1 plus 6y. Then I move everything to the right hand side again, so it will be 9y squared plus 1 plus 6y minus 16y plus 48 equals to 0. Then it will be 9y squared, 1 and 48 is going to be 49, and 6y minus 16 is going to be minus 10y plus 49 equals to 0. Now I need to solve this. So we have this quadratic equation. If you want to solve it, first of all we need to find out b squared minus 4ac. It's negative 10 squared minus 4 times 9 times 49. That's going to be 100 minus 36 times 49. So obviously that's going to be a negative number, and we know when we have the negative number for b squared minus 4ac, there is no real solution. So there is no real answer. We have only two imaginary solutions. So for this example we can say there is no real solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots and radicals and some other topics in math and science. Thank you.